Lea Salonga's voice is one of a kind and absolutely amazing.
Lea Salonga's voice is sensational.
Lea Salonga's voice is crystal clear. Pag si Lea Salonga, excellence.
Pumapasok sa utak ko ay pitch perfect. Kumbaga, close to perfection.
She's one of the ultimate talaga ng we can be proud of.
Lea Salonga's voice is timeless. Doon talaga yung class. Yung elegant.
Sila sa mga bilib na bilib kay Lea Salonga. After all, she has the voice that conquered the world. Ngunit tulad ng iba pang mga ipinanganak with an amazing God-given talent, nagsimula rin si Lea sa tulong ng mga taong unang humanga at nagtiwala sa kanyang husay. In her case, ito ang founders ng Repertory Philippines, ang mga theater icons ng bansa na sina Baby Barredo and the late Zenaida Amador. Ibinahagi sa The Buzz ng veteranang theater actress at director na si Joy Virata ang early days ni Lea bilang musical theater actress. Exclusive!
When she auditioned for Annie, Miss Amador was trying to cast an adult, but small adult when Miss Barredo saw Lea. She said, no, she can do it. I think she was 8 years old by that time. She's fantastic, you know, she did a very, very good job with Annie. Her voice is spectacular. She was very, very, very intelligent. She could memorize very easily. She memorized everybody's lines, actually. Of course, everybody's so proud of her. We're so proud of her, and Reps also proud of the fact that she started her career in Reps.
Ngayon, si Lea naman ang nagdidiskubre at gumagabay sa mga panibagong batch ng Pinoy performers sa The Voice of the Philippines. Ang magagaling na miyembro ng Team Lea, mapalad na matututo from her years of experience as a multi-awarded global performer. Subalit sa kabila nito, si Lea, pinupuntirya ng mga kritisismo ang kanyang straightforward at competitive approach bilang coach. Hindi nga ba nagugustuhan ng ilan? Now, it's time to listen to her voice. Ang nag-iisang Lea Salonga, live sa The Buzz Exclusive.
Hey dear friend, mga kapamilya, Pitch Perfect Lea Salonga!
Wow!
Welcome to The Buzz! Alam mo mga kapamilya, Lea Salonga Day today because
It's
from
Happy
the
Lea Salonga Day. Hashtag on
ASAP,
Twitter.
The Buzz, tapos The
ASAP,
Voice, and
The
the
Buzz.
GGV.
Yes. So I live here now in the studios of ABS-CBN. It's been a really good day so far.
Okay,
It's been a really fun day.
Before we move on to topic, what can you say sa lahat ng mga talagang kasama yung mga kasama natin sa industriya, talagang bow na bow sila sa sayo and your talent. I mean, do you ever get used to this?
No, I don't think any artist should ever get used to, you know, the accolades. And for me, it was really nice hearing what everyone had to say. I'm like, wow, and these are people I respect. These are people whose talent then I can say only the best things about. I mean, people like Eric and Cherise and Aiza. I mean, ang taas ng tingin ko sa kanila bilang mga mang-aawit sa industriya. So, salamat na rin sa inyo sa lahat ng mga sinabi niyo tungkol sa akin. Talagang I have no words, which is rare.
I mean,
I
imagine
usually have something to say, but not today.
Imagine after more than 3 decades of being in the industry, it is overwhelming pa rin para sa'yo.
It still is. It just washes over me, and I'm like, I still can't believe a lot of this. A lot of it is kind of, you know, it's unbelievable, incredible. It's so wonderful when you have the respect of your peers.
Which you do have, Lea.
Which is nice. You know, it's great having, syempre, the admiration of your fans, and it's wonderful. But when it comes from, you know, the people who are in the trenches with you, yung mga nagiging, yung mga nagiging kasamahan mo rin sa hirap, sa pagod, sa puyat, sa trabaho, when they give you compliments,
Tagos talaga sa puso.
Somewhere different
Now,
tagos talaga sa puso.
Now, Lea, like I mentioned earlier, you've been in the industry for more than 3 decades. Ang tanong ko, ang isang Lea Salonga ba ay nagkakaroon pa rin ba ng insecurities with regards to your talent? Or is this something that you have overcome already?
Well, I think there's always a psychological game that I play in my head. And in my head, and I think I've actually transmitted this also to the members of my team in The Voice. You have to believe that you are the best. You have to believe that there's nobody better than you, even if it's only in your mind. And so whenever I do, everybody has insecurities. It's, you know, you're performing with illness and you're thinking, okay, I don't know how I'm going to get through this. This is going to be a hard day. You know, but I have to go into each gig before I get up on stage na kailangan kong isipin walang mas gagaling pa sa akin. And it's just in your head. And sometimes that kind of mental and psychological